welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Few areas in Rebhoi district declared as containment zones. Sit-in demonstration ends. Hunger strikes begins. Food stalls in a disgusting condition in Polo. KSU exposes the stalls. And Eduvento Education Fair provides career counseling for students. Another news in detail. Exercising the 144 CRPC according to the law and the confirmation from the Office of the District Animal Husbandry Veterinary, the District Magistrate of Rebhoi District on the 23rd May declared few villages under the containment zones category. The villages includes Sauriang, Madan Nong Lakyat, Maulungkung, Silei Ular. The veterinary department assures the public to look into the matter and investigate on the swine fever that befell on the animals. The district magistrate ordered the pig breeders, butchers and the meat sellers to stop their activity for the time being until further notice is ordered to ensure the safety of the people and control the spread of the swine fever. He urged the people in the line of business to maintain hygiene in the work.
We received one report of suspected cases of African swine flu, and after that the department went there and took certain samples, did their testing, and after find out that it is an affirmative case of African swine flu. That report from our district animal husbandry department, we have declared containment zones in 5 villages: Sauriang, Madan Nong Clyde, Malingkung and Silei Ular. So after these villages, all necessary precautions are being maintained, and the department is regularly visiting to check that there is no further spread of the African swine flu. So far, in our routine monitoring, we have not received any more calls, any more information that there is a spread in these villages or after nearby other villages also. However, regular testing and regular monitoring is being done by the department. Basically, firstly, we have declared these containment zones for 45 days. So all the animals in these areas, they are being monitored, regularly being checked up, and there is every precaution is being made by the magistrates on duty there to ensure that there is no further spread of African swine flu in those areas. Apart from that, the department is also screening other suspected areas where there is a high probability of being spreading. But so far, we have been able to contain that African swine flu spread also, and no new cases have been reported, although samples have been collected from other villages also, but so far no confirmation regarding that spread of African swine flu in other villages. We have conducted certain tests, we have taken some samples also, and based on that report only it was declared. After that also some samples have been declared. All the containment measures which have been declared as per the report from the department, and within the containment zone all these precautions are being maintained. There is no further coming of animals and all. However, outside containment zone there is no restriction so far. We are maintaining a very close watch. If it is found that it is being spreading and all in other areas, then necessary precautions will be taken.
After various demonstrations performed by the Voice of the People's Party, the government still failed to pay attention to the demands regarding the reservation policy. Frustrated and enraged with the government's ignorance, the Voice of the People's Party leader Ardan Mela Basayomot halted the peaceful rally or the sit-in demonstration and began a hunger strike along with his team before the main secretariat on the 23rd of May, showing their protest against the government. Speaking to the media persons, Ardan exclaimed that the Voice of the People's Party will continue to fight until their demands are met, but it is sad to realize that other MLAs from other parties do not strive for the same. Also participating were leaders of the party, interest groups and people supporting the party and its cause.
Penpau lang bagilat may kubor ba natin Khasinews. Bah, Khasinews ke ba kaladon all party meeting. Bana kalian kajungi hikom ka party hi ngem priang. Ya kajingle juga sarkar kapala kentaj bangini kren ya ke reservation kapalong ka dauba ka tanrai jung kajinge baro. Tenring i baga sarkar ka persyang ban penthami. Da ka bayi kren ya kata ka roster. Te kum kadak jong kejing persya ba kejing bambun kejing ngira pernah bangin sedang mentah kesini ya ka indefinite hunger strike. Ya ka indefinite hunger strike. Te mentah nagaleng kejunga kumu presiden juga parti namarkani kede kejing syakhan ka baklembu por ka pamarui kejunga bat siang ni pli ki nongelam juga parti ki belawan bani senran rengkat ki ki don hangdir ki seng bhalang ki belawan bani simatalang te kani hi kede ke khobor ka basai shaga sarkar ka ba nagaleng juga voice of the people party kamde ke bangi issue berngem ring indele ya ke kam bat kumbang ilakut jumut bagani ke jingsha kan kabampu por ke jinga kan ye peteng tak hadu bakal sarkar kan menjurban pentma ye review ban review ban pentma ye reception policy kabalong ka tenrai junga jinge hagabdi bat ka ki khon samla ke ji khamtam haka ki khon samla ke wat kam wat jam anor ka jingkutu kam sakadon ke jingkta ka bakrau daga jing pentri kam ke jinga sarkar ye kan di roster hakani ka por ka bamata ka klemtre ban penbek ka reception policy nimlong ki brio ki ba artin nani ki brio termen nani ki ba long pessimistic ma long temperate long optimistic you don't make a jinkerman amar benefit pakai cintawa ke jing kalong ka ba shong ai ka ba shong nia ban ka ba shong hok ke pat kita ki benan ka bor ki so ke shai pakai cintawa jing kalong ka ba shong nia ke naga ka tau ini ya ki cing kela ma naga jing keren juga sarkar hakasian ke baningkong kintre wat tamani keren ya kani kamat yang lada kita di BPP MLA BPP hon ki manage ke ye kasih ndai mata ya kani kamat lai keren bat ki babun ki bating mani keren ni kani kamat mata paro ki lai keren lot ndan syu menum no be keren ni kani kamat oh kapeni ba ka ke bangi ni keren kala nang ajing syai pai ba bakalong ke jingdawa ka syong hok ka sarkar menditang ba ka lai keren ni kani ila khot yo all party meeting bat ngila dawa ba kapang pat menbe ya reception policy de ban pensange chua ka kam thungkam de katar ba sarkar ka pne kong em ni ladang ngila long ready de ka roster dari ki department ka long ready ngin thep ngin thung bai kata ka de jingkren chief minister tendai gini ki CPD ba chief minister long ba ka sarkar ka pa pensange chua patlu ni ba ka sarkar ka lumar ha jingmut jubkha namar kini baka nongre muji ka scam jingkot jumut juga scam jingkot syam upai pak don te wat lada play ba kila ai kubor ba boro ki seng sang perthai kila hun jurut ya ke jipatai joka sarkar handi baka roster henrei ke bas nglah pat kalong nalor bekila hun jurut kidang bu se kata ka expert committee kan le ayu pa kata ka expert committee haba boro lai hun jurut kadau hi kalong ba ki perkhat be tang ya ka shuki ki perkhat ya ka bor ki shim ya ka bor klem ka jingket kli tau ba ka dei ba kini ki badon ka bor ki shim ya ka bor klem ka jingket kli kamdam ka jingket kli kan mlong ka badai ununu kli jong ka jela ba undon ni ko kom perkhat ka bano shilia tekani ka phalang hi ba ki badon ha ka bor ba uklido joka sarkar nes udah ni korkom perkhat no shiliang lada kambe na kata ka jing perkhat kumno unum la bani pa ka jing dawa jing kalong ka syong ne kim ko abani keren tendri menta baro ke keren ni kimit ki singu tho hi lada dei ba ki scam ka nong rim ba ka ege ba ki yeng nadu ka ban kong kalong ka ba biang balikin kalaktin ngi klem kalaktin nadu ka singi ban kong nadu ka singi bang istang keren begem ju adu matang yeng mistik be rei ki seng ki badan ka sarkar kala kalaktin bonsi bonwa barangit mapi ki nong mau ki badan kalat pakai ku bi dan ni record ki babiang kumnu ki keren nadu ka singi ban kong tak adu mata ka singi larang ngile se ko kala ban kta igini ki wei ki jet benri Teka sarkar ka ko aban penkit ka taka pop hangi. Tenamar taka lau ngingin nemlek ka kot. Ngingin ikon baka sarkar ka de banora da ka political solution ni. Kaya ka mangi kalong baga sokar ka kwa man penkit ya kata ka jingkit kli hangi. Badai nak tahu juga BPP pek menta takut kalau muslia namar kidon ki bangi ngempua bani keren. Dei ke jingko ka jing kalong ngempua ban hot ngempua ban tu ya ka hok ka jom ki perlok garu gitu ni. Ban ngempua ru kata ka hok ka jom ki kum ka jet dulu. Kan satu no kan. Tang lingba ka jing bakla juga sokar ka batau ke polisi. Kat baki kenang keluar jingon. Upai ba onang ya kelinti ke ba the voice of the people party kaya unang yo jingshai unang yo slutu opleng voice of the people party kaya yang nadu pasi ke beningkok badon kam ban review ya ke reservation policy namar ka daw tunrai ke bapuni ya ke jinge ka dealing ba ka policy bat ban pinsange shwa ya ke jintri kam ya ke roster namar la de people kam ya ke roster klem da pinthmai ka policy samla jingi ke sha ta jur hadu kata namar kata daw ngidon ke jingkamet pasem bak ka sorkar lingba kan ke jeki ke jing kan hapan snap bat kan hapan review ya reception policy.
Not safe to consume anything anymore. It is a safe, sorry state of affair to witness the pathetic conditions of various food stalls in Shillong. Day after day, many are exposed for their careless and hygienic ways of conducting businesses. Similarly, the Khasi Students Union on the 23rd of May discovered a group of food stalls located in Polo with unhygienic conditions. The shops are run by outsiders and they're visibly disgusting. The reason for poor maintenance of hygiene could be carelessness and lack of concern for the health of the people consuming food from the particular food stalls. A 2-day education fair, Eduvento, which is also one of the biggest education fair, was held on a May at All Saints Hall. The main concern of the education fair is to focus on the better education for the youths and teenagers of the state, and the fair came up with a consultation from the students from various institutions from neighboring states. A multitude of students had arrived to avail counseling and enroll themselves in various academic fields like BSc, MBBS, BBA, Mass Communication and many more, with placements guaranteed. Check.
Circle lawan jurup kami hasil follow itu bukan dari saya nomor ba minjui korobor ba nak kami kalian bagi itu taseng dusun nomor ba nomor ba minjui ba kinda sad good nadu biar nadu kapam nadu saya ini akan dikasih wajar website bagi dari lawan site dan ada lu pilih bukan belakang luar dia apa disangnya maswa ba patlong berpelih ni gitu. Aduh bang indah ai ho swa. Kita kira ada kata bisa selesai. Dan kalau ada ini tenginang piteng ni. Beden pertama ni haji sisa liong ba dan kam ini bukan perkara. Andre anda nilai tempo pan. Luar lang taki mendapo municipal napo magistrat siwan lang kaya ka pendengo ini pat ngong ba anda la alek mangi ka sarkar kasaw kasawan lang gede ba sulingo kay ba man issue ni happen forward ni mangi ni stang mi ini bro ni ba kasi pendek eh andre ka balingo kalong ba adi ni bengila de bengilawan kawan kali ba department bakawan ke municipal department. Jadi kecil ni awak kalong ba, kumul kini ki poi bet tengah ki por bangi poi, beli ki poi suai ni, beli ha ben kenal bet mengi sarkar man kapor, man kapor halor ke isu pementas nilai, nila, niwan bet direct tengah bentaka food safety, kat ba, ke labor kadan, ke municipal kadan, dari kata ke badan kam tanpa deh ke food safety, kita ki officials ki ong kim dan, kidan cegoti, kadi bendan kita ki ong bakata ke madam jengki kadan cegoti. Dari ke food safety ngam try bakaya tang dak ta kawi madam ni ke bak penyiru ya ke jinglong pemlong capable jong kani ga food safety bak nak bencek gitu hadu ba isat net tang bandrung ka jing sma banda dei ki jaka ju ki khasi jongi kat nu gila sakhan tala sarkar ka check kai kat ba syatu ki snong ki thau kim ye check kim ye pek ang kata hi gen ba ngakwa ben pai sarkar ba kanu ka kam ko pile le shom pi wan ai bengi da wan mengi abuan si enforcement abuan si penjenjar abakadi ka kam jong pi wat ju shong ken mene ai ni kulit ru yang ro ki bene trailang om ting kulit ben shui yang sro dele lang ken ki kam badai bo pi bende nomor ka jini submit jong ki dukan apa wat ni magistrate badan ni panpor ni news ni bat kum ki asu ni namla ban ai por ki news ni ka nungut ki bri bala ban yo pang ni ki dukan ban ni lapan ya karai jong magistrate bai di ban khang ha ka tu ban ni buram ru karai bi la ban khang ni ki dukan tang tu bat ban ai ki notice ki dukan bat kini ki minder ki ban su tu ba ki ban wanra ka khut ki suba ha ka ni ka ri ki jong bat om ban suwan ban su de ban su le ki ba bi ha ba ki sa met sudah aduh kedukan batang ban rungru nila isake kidan pres ki bawan ban tukelar ki babuan ge angkatai.
A 2-day education fair, Eduvento, which is also one of the biggest education fair, was held on a May at All Saints Hall. The main concern of the education fair is to focus on the better education for the youths and teenagers of the state, and the fair came up with a consultation from the students from various institutions from neighboring states. A multitude of students had arrived to avail counseling and enroll themselves in various academic fields like BSc, MBBS, BBA, Mass Communication and many more, with placements guaranteed.
I am representing Sandeep University. This is a university near Mumbai at Nasik. University which houses 15,000 students, a force to reckon with. It has carved a niche for itself globally. We have many international memorandum of understanding. We have many courses to run. It's forensic, aerospace, microbiology, fashion design, computer science, forensic, business analytic, artificial intelligence. You name a course, think about it, it's over there. It's run by a professional who is the chairman, Dr. Sandeep Jha, a visionary. He deeply gets involved and ensures everything which is best for the student is delivered. His housing, his food, everything is being taken care of. The placements are best. I tell you why. Because it's a curriculum which is being designed by IIT and IIMs. It's run by the best of the faculty. I ensure that the first 6 months is the basic foundation where English speaking fluently is the main forte. Everybody goes through it. And the last thing, 6 months is dedicated for its personality. Where is the doubt? The placement has to come. It comes in the best way. We go for paid internship, and there itself the industry sees, yes, we have got the best from the university. The placement is good, the faculty is good, the conducive atmosphere to study, to play, to learn is innovative in nature. All that I have to say. In days to come, maybe couple of years, max 5 years down the line, it will be numero uno in the country. Thank you. God bless.
Today we are organizing this event for Evento in Shillong. Today is the first day, and tomorrow also we are having the same event. Last year also we did this event in the same place, outside hall, and we got very good response. But this time we are feeling we will get very good response because it's a fantastic crowd, and I hope it will help the students, those who are looking for higher studies after completing their 12th, and those who are going to complete their graduations also looking for the master degree in India or abroad. They will get a very good opportunity here, the platform. At least they will come to know which institute will be better for them if they would like to go outside the northeast for their higher studies. And I believe that Shillong students, basically Khasi students, Garo students and JNKs also, they all are very good and intelligent students, but they need a platform due to lack of information. They are not getting the right platform to utilize them. But this is the right place. I think if they will come and join this fair and they will see the various colleges. And we have colleges from Pune also. I would like to tell you some name of the colleges like Ajinkya D.Y. Patil from Pune, then JSPM Pune, then Calcutta Adamas, NSHM from Guwahati Sunstone, then East Point, Bangalore. There are so many colleges, those who are participating in our event. So I request from your media that those who are looking for higher studies, they can also come today as well as tomorrow also to get this opportunity. And we are giving a Bluetooth headphones also for the students, those who are already appeared 12 art science commerce as well as degree final year students. And I would like to tell some of the those who support us here is this both the people. So I'd like to tell that we will speak something for the students. Please.
Yeah, so I'm also representing this event. I'm being a promoter of this event. So it's nice looking at the crowd how they are there. And one thing, I'm a local from here. What I've seen is there is not many colleges which provide professional courses in our state, Meghalaya especially. So by this event, the student can explore much more like what are the colleges they want to study, they want to go for higher studies. They can take some advantage, they can take some guidance and all.
It is a proud achievement for the people and students of Mairang when the Mairang Presbyterian English Secondary School on the 23rd May received new school building in Mairang Mission. As a sign of opening the school, the cutting of the ribbon was done by the moderator of Mairang Presbytery, the Menbasan D. Rentathyang, in the presence of the President of Mairang Presbytery, Reverend I.W. Nongsit, the headmistress of the school, Iwa Alang, teachers, students, men and women, and invitees. As a reminder, the school was established on the year 1986, and all this time it was attached with the Mairang Presbyterian Academy School in Mission, but today the school reached a milestone and received its own building in Mairang Mission, East and West Khasi Hills district. Before inaugurating the school, the presbytery along with the teachers, students and the entire faculty conducted a short prayer in the campus of the new school building, inviting divine intervention over the school.
Nongkong nisngo ba mla kan dapat pau ya kajing sengongu mat kajing kemen bakrau na kebantakan ikasni ke bakarpang ke boleh ula penyo ya ni kani ke step ke bakanai kasgin ke baningkong bangyo bandrung hakan ke building temai adien ba la bon snem ni layak sa na kebanta banyo ya kajaka na ban pelong kelaka jong mar baru sikatu kani ke Mairang Presbyterian English Secondary School kadon lang hakaju kajaka compound bat jong ke school Mairang Presbyterian Academy School. Jadi halor jong kani kanong rimba nakidang ka Presbytery ru hadin ba kalai persanghi ban ya sa dakilat kilinti baro kumno ban penurlong yani kakam ban penkendria nanti na po mayrang mission hang ni ni ka jaka ka bangi khot ka light beli kepada hati jong ka ni ka Shillong mayrang mission ti ka dai ru ka jaka ka bangi la ban ong ka dai ka jaka ka bangi ka dai ka jaka bangi tenat ha bangi pet ya ka ni ka jaka ka po mayrang barok ka we ti ka ni ka dai ka jaka ka bangi sungu e ublay ya ram lenti yang ni kum ka school barka presbytery na ka banta ban pen long school ti ha ka ni ka step namar bangi dang supen kan ria ha ka ni ka seni sedang ya ka ni ka kelas menta ka seni ti nyem cempat penlong da kan ka function Henry ka di tang ka ni ka seni ka bangi penlong da ka jing duai ba umur tu jong ka presbytery ulawan ban duai ya ka ni ka yeng haswa bagi kena school kinrum apo jong di building penmai ti haro jo kan ni isngau ba kala pendap ka jing kemen ningkong ya ka presbytery ya ki dekat jong ka CED ki dekat jong ka managing committee bat kerpang ru na ka benta kinong hikai bat ki kena school baru ka wai ya ki men lang ha ki step namar o blelo dan ringkat bat penyo ikan ke building berkemai bat nginget scam banang ni sekmat kumba ka sarkar kala pai kmat bat kala ai ka opening permission hadu ka class 10 nginget scam ba kani ka school kan nangla banai saki na kapor kumba kalong hakini kisniam ki bala dia bru na kala yang ka result jong ka metric man ka sniam ni ju yo ka result ka ba snowtenat bat ba ai jing hun bat ba ai jing kemen ru ya ka school bat ka presbytery baru ka we in percang di kilat kelenti kumalong mentaru ni iba ni kebabon kebagi syatre da keba inang yawan ikilat kelenti naki para bangit naki riusimet bat kum ju naki balang naki presbytery kum ka sponsoring body ya kan ika school inang percang hi ban ya wat kilat kelenti nak mentapan penyak saprang ya kan ika jingtek jing era tingidang yo nak tengen nakaliang ka SSA kepada ka opar pemering bat kumju ru nak benta ka secondary tinggi 4 yo lanjutan kan di KBD bat ka science teacher kran di ketu tinggi yo ka secondary.
If voices are not heard, letters should do the work. The voice of the People's Party Northern Constituency on the 23rd May marched towards the residence of the MLA of Northern, Gabriel Walang, with placards in hands containing criticisms on the actions of the MLA for not uttering a word in the Legislative Assembly regarding the reservation policy issue. Members of the VPP Northern exclaimed that the protest is initiated mainly to force the MLA in Pindangray to intercede for his people and raise the reservation policy issue before the Legislative Assembly on behalf of the people. Present and participating includes Klanbor Karbani, Publicity Secretary of VPP Northern, Wat Borlang Nongrum, General Secretary, and other members and office bearers of the party.
Ini kalong ba ban penpau bangi dawa ikwa bat ni penbor ek sarkar bakadai ban Riluk lane review no ya kan deka reservation policy haka jeng angnut ka jongi kalong ba ni trang ni kmet lenti bahaka jeng sha UMNA jongi ru unde uwe kan unong ya sai nak benta ka khia ka shon jongi pai ba khamtam haba uyi kini ki jeng ki ba ni kun samlang ya kando te ulade ban kren kan ha assembly nakaling jong uru kum unong kmat pai ba jeng ya khi ka jongi banganang yahat yang naik sekemat kam kut tang mentah kesengi kan eka jing sedang kaba lese haki sengi ki banwan ka jing dawa ka jungi ya ka hok kalong ba lese kanang jur tat hadu ba ka sarkar kanda sengap kanda sengau ya ke jing ya kendu jing ya ke jing kerpat ya ke jing dawa jungi upai ba.
After two managing authorities emerged in Hima Langrin, one which is supervised by the SAME and another supervised by the management board, the youth group Hima Langrin on the 23rd May met with the executive member in charge of the Elaka of Pius Marwen to complain on the presence of two bodies. Speaking to the media persons, the president of the youth group Hima Langrin, P.S. Lingdo, informed that the meeting with the EM is intended to raise concerns on the presence of the two managing bodies in Hima Langrin, which adversely affects the concerned Hima, and he added that the presence of the two heads devalued the power of the district council and the entire Hima as a whole, because with the presence of two authorities, the same acts an authority for individual persons, whereas the management board acts as the custodian or the manager of the possession and riches of the Hima.
Seng samlah Himalangrin lengkap bagi dikot jongi halor kejing siaukia ke jongi ya kejing don arteli ki authority ki bor sensar hapok ke Himalangrin kata kalong ka jing sensar sim bat kejing sensar jong ka management board nakaliang jongi ia keren ya kita kajat benriu tinggi perkhat balada kajat benriu umdon su ke kendau ko siap umdon su kejing don jm hapok ke Hima tinggi keren jat benriu sa ke eipat halor kita kinong rim kejing siaukia ke jongi ngiwan ya kendu naduk kap nyau terik jong benai besar ngiwan bu ya ka jing pen sengau khmat jong chief executive member tinggi pen pau ke jing sengu nakaliang jong i la sim khia wood pat i la pha sha em in charge jong ka ilakai ba pius marwin pat nakaliang jong ki la khot mentai ngi ka seng sama pan ya kendu pan pen sengau ke jing jong i kom ki kun ki hajar pat ka ke jing ka bangi sengau kata adu kata kalong ba ngi sengau ba kani ke jing don artli ki authority hapok ka Himalangrin ke jongi nisau bakal kata hadu kata nomor belai PE ka council ka six schedule ka lapsu ka Indian Constitution dan ha kata ka risensar hagariti sensar pajak jong kari India ka dei dam taban yada ban kerpang nam ta kata ka hok long try man try jongi hang ne pok bejat benriu ke jongi den re ndang ilalap ya kan ki ba don pok ka Hima jongi ngisau kendet pat ngisau lingo nomor kumnu ki don artli ki authority PE Kadis council ka juyo ya kata ka 1/8 share jong ki Hima hapok gari kasi. Te menta lada ka jinghe jong ka Hima menta badla ka Hima kala sudai tang usia mudai no tang usensar kli brio. Kat bai ki jingdon jing em jong ka Hima la sensar no da ka management board. Te kemud ba haipat kata ka jingyo nong jong ka council dan hai kata ka revenue jong ka jaj brio ke jongi ngitang yo. Ti kini kalong ka jing pendu ya ka hok long try man try jong ki kun ki hajar hang hepok ka jat beriu ke jongi ban ngi la bu ke jing keli hakmat jong officer hakmat jong iba pius marwen komi em in charge ba ka Himalangrin kahe kidon daki spa atli ki Shillong te hnrei kumbanga batai pi kalong ba kata ka jing don artli ke authority kalong ba usiem unlong tang unong sesar kli beriu bat ka management board ka sesar ka properties kamut balada ka management board ka sensar ka properties kamut ka jingdu nong ka dei jong no kam dei tang ka jong i kun ki hajar ka dei jong ka council tu nor blai ka 1/8 share kamut ba haja kapan yo ka council point option no tikum kita sakawai ru ila pen sengau council ba kidai ban sim khia be de bekani bat nakaliang jong ki ru kila persang hi ban yet bunia ban bisar be de bekani bikin examine pha bat kila ong hi bakin sa sim khia be de bekani bat ngingat scam pa nakaliang jong council ru kan salek ke balong nam ta ka interest jong ki kun ki hajar hapok kejat benriu bat kemjuru hapok jong ka Himalangrin ke jongi PE habai dei bat kini ki jing INOC ki traders mo kita ki nong khayi la ki dei ki exporter la ki dei ki nuki nong khayi hapok ka dong ka than jongi nilap ni syam pa ke jing INOC ke management board tiga pemut pakai Hima kam don ni issue ke management board ka Hima kam don ni issue te takadaw ibu ke jing keli hakmat jong council ba hatu ya ka 1/8 share ka council kayo na usim kayo na ka Hima lani kayo na po ka management board dan kalian jong council kamla ban jubab ya kata ki ong ba ki haban bisar suai kan ni nomor ba ki 4 la ban jubab mentai kata te kalong ka ege jing du nong du kata nam ta gajat benriu jongi nem hatu kalong em kat kum ka riti sensar jong gajat benriu jongi bandon artli ki authority hapo ki Hima hapo ka risi pingi setengah ban yo ke jubab na ki kalong ba ki Hima hapo ka risi la hapok ke jing kemi ke jing pet jong ka council leng ba ka six schedule ka bomut ba kalong bian la don kum kata ka la don kum kita ki authority artli hapok ke Hima namar ba kum ba pi kum bang ngalak pensai meni kalong ba don artli ki bor sensar kata kalong sensar sim pat sensar ka management board dan kaliang jong ka council ru kelap penpau bat kelap pensengau ba nakaliang jong ki kim don jing tip ru em habede bekane dan nakaliang jong ikum ka seng samlah Himalangrin rengkat bat ki kun ki hajar ngin sa persang kat pala ban wanra ki ban pensai bat ban pensothu ya ki kun ki hajar habede bekane ke jing sakta jongi ya ka hok long try man try bat sakawei ngin sa aiswa kita ki jing pho shawi paim pain pensai habede bat kane ke jing bomhun jongi kum ki kun ki hajar bat ki jing lap jongi kum ka seng samla hima langrin ya kejing don arteli ki bor sensar hapo ke hima kejing ko badi kalap ya kejing don kata ka arteli ki authority hapo ke hima rei kasil kamle ai ngin ong sukum do namar ba ngila step ba ka council kadai ka kli bor sensar hang hapo ke jat menteri bejongi kadai ka wei na kita ki kli bor sensar ki balong ki ba don bor hadu kata ban pe khendau ka siap ban pe ki jing don jing em hapo ke jat menteri jing don jing em hapo ke hima Jadi lah kim le ai kamut ba kim patip kan ka ai ka sik sedel ka ai ka council kamut kim don kan ka jingkit klik namta la ka jong ka jat pendeu namta ki khun ki hajar namta ka man ong kim don kan kata ka jik sokia namta ka hok long try man try jong ka jat pendeu ka jong ni ka senjam ka bangin sa sim hi ka long ba ngi hap hi ban pen dikena namta ka jing sengan ka hok long try man try ka ka jat pendeu kham tam e kerpang ya ki khun ki hajar ko ka himalang ri ong ka ba sisuk ngim ong ban ong ka bom sisuk ru ngim ong namar ba nakaliang jongki kum ka department kila yale hi ban simkhia ban pensai ban kedau ki lenti ki bangi hap kumno ban yaj te tangkata hi te ban ong season ya kenduk ban long no ka basiso te le se ka long ka ba e te henry ngingat skamba nang ni sakmat min sayo ban khet yo ka uso jing petikna nakaliang jong ya min charge ki ong ba kinsa budin habede pe ni jing don arteli kita ki authority po ka himalang rin batlada ki lap ki syam sisya balada don sya kata ka jingdon arteli ki authority ka bor sensar po ka himalang rin kamut ba kimban si ki hap ban sim action ya kita ki badon kiti.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until meet again, thank you for watching.